recharge, live well. Think health and wellness.
Hi there, future origami masters. Today we'll show you how to make a ladybug origami. Step 1. Start with a square sheet of paper and fold it in half diagonally to make a crease. Then fold it back afterward. Step 2. Fold around 1/3 of the paper horizontally. Step 3. Fold the tip upward. Step 4. Tuck the folded tip inside and fold. Step 5. Fold the sides diagonally. Step 6. Fold the left, right, and bottom edges. Step 7. If you're using white paper, you can color the ladybug's body red or pink. Step 8. Add spots and eyes to complete your ladybug origami. And there you have it, your ladybug origami. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!